November 25, 2027, 08 a.m. Apple is now using TikTok, more than 6 months after creating an official account for the company on the short-form video platform. It has apparently commissioned promotional videos from existing TikTok influencers. We noted the empty account back in April. Today some users have noticed that there's a new verified profile of Apple on TikTok, which may indicate that the company has plans to share some content there. The account, at Apple, is relatively new and it has only 1,312 followers by the time of writing this article. There's no biography, videos, or anything other than the verification badge, which legitimates that it's an official account. That changed last week, with the addition of 4 videos, each of them promoting the compact size of the iPhone 12 mini. All use the same camera trickery to make large objects shrink, with the final trick being to shrink the iPhone 12 Pro down to the iPhone 12 mini. The videos are by Zach King, Kevin B. Perry, Julian Bass, and Jessica Wang. Their follower counts range from just over 800K to just over 50 million. As for Apple's account, it now has 376K followers and a similar number of likes. The outgoing White House administration tried to ban TikTok in the US before legal challenges put a stop to that. Following Trump's election loss, it's likely that the action against the video app will be allowed to quietly fade away. TikTok now has new competition, as Snapchat launched Spotlight, with a $1 million daily fund to try to lure TikTok creators to its platform.